If your condenser unit is leaking water, it usually means the condensate drain is clogged or something's off with the drain pan or line, and ignoring it can cause real headaches. So, first, check that condensate drain for any clogs, because dirt and algae love to build up there and block water flow. You can use a wet-dry vacuum to suck out the gunk from the drain line, or pour a cup of white vinegar down it to clear out algae. Next, peek at the drain pan under the unit. If it's cracked or rusted, water's gonna leak right out, so replacing that pan might be necessary. Also, make sure the drain line is sloping down properly so water doesn't pool or back up. Sometimes just adjusting its angle fixes the whole problem. Keep an eye out for buildup around the drain line exit outside your house, because if that's blocked, water won't drain right. If your unit has a float switch, clean it, because if it's stuck, it might shut your system off and cause leaks. Lastly, regular maintenance is clutch. Schedule yearly HVAC checkups to catch these issues early and avoid costly repairs. Don't forget, turning off the power before messing with anything near the condenser unit is super important for safety. One of the biggest mistakes people make with a leaking condenser unit is ignoring small leaks, which can turn into expensive water damage. Fix small clogs early by cleaning the condensate drain regularly. Another common issue is not checking the drain pan for cracks or rust, so if you see water pooling around your unit, inspect and replace that pan if needed. Lastly, having a poorly sloped or kinked drain line means water won't flow properly. Just adjusting or replacing that line will stop leaks and keep your system running smoothly. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors without the hassle of endless searching. Plus, contractors get an easy way to connect with people who actually need their skills, making it a win-win for everyone involved.